Hi everyone, welcome to Discover Malaysia Treasure Hunt tutorial. So this video, I will teach you and guide you on how to write the basic program for the remote control joystick. So let's start. Okay, this tab is for the tutorial lesson. This tab is for the Discover Malaysia Treasure Hunt map. Before we go to this tab, okay, so you need to know the basic programming of the joystick. So I will teach you on how to write the program using the joystick remote. Okay, this is lesson 1, 2 and 3, which is lesson 1, 2 and 3 is the exercise for you before you go to the exploration. You need to know the basic programming. So I will teach you on level number 1 for this video. So click this and press the space bar. This is the software that we're going to use, so we will learn on how to write the program for the joystick. So let's go. The tutorial is here, so you need to read one by one the tutorial to understand what is your mission and how to write the program using the blocks here. Okay, this is the programming canvas. Okay, every single programming will be doing here. And this one you can minimize and maximize. This one is the simulated view. This one is the map from the top view. You can see. This one is the time and score. This one is the objective mission or the level objective. Okay. The mission is actually to collect all this portion. This one we call it as a portion. This one we call it as a portal. You need to collect all the portions and go inside the portal before you proceed to the practice number 2, level number 2. Okay, this is the motion blocks, or we call it as the palette block. Okay, we have motion and we have the event block. This one is the motion. This one is the wait block. This one is the start block. Okay, let's go. Just follow one by one the tutorial. Take this. Okay, click left on the mouse. Okay, click drag and drop to the right side. This one will be the first block for your programming. Okay, this one, as you can see, there is arrow up, left, down, right, and button A. But for this tutorial number 1, we want to move your robot moving forward. So just use the arrow up, okay, for this programming. Okay, and then this one, as I said just now, okay, and then this one, the number 2 block is this. Okay, M1 moving for DC motor M1 forward 100. M1 and M2, because we have 2 DC motors, so we need to take another one block for the DC motor, M1 for right DC motor, M2 for the left DC motor. Okay, just put the same speed. Okay, and then you can just run the program. You just complete this. Okay, you just complete this, and then that's all. Okay, to run the program, okay, you will use this button. Okay, later I will show you. The other way is you can use the keyboard button, the arrow keyboard button. Arrow up will be moving forward. Okay, this one. Moving arrow up is for moving forward for the joystick remote here, and the other way to run your program is actually to click or to press the arrow button, okay, on your keyboard. So I will show you 2 ways. Okay, the first one I will show like this. Okay, this one is moving forward, so this one is stop, going back, and then I will show you how to use the arrow button on the keyboard. Okay, I am now pressing the arrow button on the keyboard. It is moving forward. Okay, again, so I will use this. Moving forward, collect all the portions and go inside the portal, and then you will complete level number 1. That is how you write the program for the joystick. It's very simple to move forward. Just use a DC motor and press the remote button here, and also the keyboard button arrow up. Okay, see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.